What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We're outside messing around on the Honda CRF 50. All you beautiful people, we've been a little busy the last few weeks. We've been buying some new shop equipment. We upgraded some stuff. We bought a new Snap-on Triton D10 scanner. We're going to show you this beautiful machine in another video. We bought a beautiful Snap-on toolbox as well. It's definitely been time. It's been a busy month. Finally, we got the E46 M3 back on the road. We did a couple new modifications, put some new parts in it. We're still not done for this year. You know, it's a project car, never really done, but we're gonna go over it, see what we did. We're gonna talk about some of the parts that we have on order that we're gonna take care of in the next coming weeks here. But yeah, join me inside the shop, tag along for the ride. Thanks for watching. So let's get into the shop. Let's check out the E46. Let's talk about the things that we did. There she is. It's been a while since you guys have seen the car on the channel. Just like last year, looks very similar. Mind you, I had some professional detailer friends of mine. Shout out to Initial D Detailing. They detailed this car, they cut and polished it. It looks phenomenal. I don't think it's ever looked this good in the 5 years that I've owned it. So basically everything resides on the interior. Last year I bought some Corbeau Evo X seats. I've always wanted to do racing seats in a cab. If you know me, this is my third E46, so I guess living out the dream on this one here. We did the Autopower half cage roll bar setup, available online. You can see this, it's on a few E46s online. Not too bad of an install, minus drilling some holes, cutting, or not really cutting, just fitting it up, marking, you know, double checking, triple checking. We got the braum 3-inch racing harnesses. We wanted to go with the 3-inch instead of the 2-inch. I just personally like the look of it better. And the purple, I did the purple to match the wheel hardware. Purple is one of my favorite colors, if you didn't already know. And we also got the Extron's Apple CarPlay digital display unit there. We're just waiting for the extension harness, as we went to hook it up and realized something's not right here, and what we need is an extension harness that runs all the way from the trunk up to the head unit, which turns the amp on, because this car had factory navigation, which we did not know until, yeah, we went to go put it in. So I've been driving around, no tunes, no nothing, but get the sweet sound of that S54 is decent. Last but not least, Yokohama ADVAN sport tires all the way around. Just put them on, maybe 100 kilometers on these bad boys. Like them so far. They're pretty sticky, but not too sticky. I was still able to slide the car's ass end out a couple times, so that tells me that they're just right. I ordered the CSL carbon fiber trunk lid for the cabrio as well. It's still a couple weeks out, so unfortunately I did not get to get that in time for the car show that we were at this weekend. So yeah, a couple other little items we'd like to do before the end of the season is the ID4 Digital Cluster. As you guys have seen online, I'm sure if you have an E46, you've probably heard about the ID4 cluster. If you haven't, make sure to check out the ID4 website and you can learn all about that. It really modernizes this car. Other than that, lastly, we are also waiting for a carbon diffuser just above the exhaust here. We had one on the last E46. This one's actually broken in a spot. If you take a look there, boom, broken. So we got that puppy coming. And hopefully before the end of the season, we can get some airlift on this thing and slam it out at car shows. I think it'll go a long way. This car is really low. It could really benefit from having air ride, honestly, and we'll be able to fit it a little bit better when it's parked. Get those wheels tucked up into those fenders. A little missing tow hook cover that never got painted last year, and we actually lost the splitter rod on this side in a high-speed Mexico run last year. I'm going to take care of those little things. But that's what the E46 is looking like, guys. We're going to update this video later or add in here how the car looks with the hardtop off. I'm just the only last one here today, and I need a hand pulling this thing off. I'm not going to go ahead and do it myself and try and be all crazy, damage the car, anything crazy like that. So as you guys can see, with the hardtop off, still nice clearance. Just fold that soft top down. I'll show you how it works with the cage. Looks pretty sick with the top down, I'm not gonna lie. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again. Thank you for liking and subscribing to the channel. If you have, we'll have more content like this, hopefully. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the flip side. Keep your sticks on the ice. Peace.